From advanced manufacturing applications to cloud-connected machines, equipment risks are changing, yet breakdowns remain inevitable. Talk to your clients about these 3 equipment breakdown risk trends to help them understand the importance of having equipment breakdown coverage. 1. Aging infrastructure and new technology can increase the potential for equipment downtime. With electrical systems accounting for up to 20% of a building's value and power grids strained by aging equipment and new technology, the risk of electrical system breakdowns caused by power fluctuations is increasing. Your clients can help prepare for this risk with our available equipment breakdown coverage option. High-tech equipment failure can lead to higher exposures. 2. Long lead times for costly repairs can jeopardize tight supply chains, resulting in increased expenses and missed deadlines. We stay ahead of today's complex technology, connecting eligible customers with vendors for sensors that can monitor pressure or temperature, detect water leakage, and more. 3. Prevention is key. Advanced technology calls for specially trained risk control consultants who can help your clients with traditional and emerging prevention methods, including state-certified boiler inspections and recommendations for equipment maintenance training and contingency planning. Equipment breakdown coverage, helping your clients stay focused on the future.